Welcome to the re-enrollment process. To begin, log in to your EduMagined account. You will immediately notice an Action Needed notification button located at the top left of your screen. Click on this button to proceed. You will be redirected to the re-enrollment page. Here, you will see a list of your children along with their current enrollment status. Please note you will need to complete the following steps separately for each child listed. To start an application, click the blue Re-Enrollment link next to the student's name. A pop-up window will appear with the application steps. Read the instructions and click Next. First, verify the student's information, including their current grade and date of birth. Then click Next. Moving on, you will be asked to select the student's transportation method for the upcoming year. Then review and confirm that your home address and phone number are correct. Next, you will see the Parental Consent and Media Release section. Please review the permissions regarding school photos and social media, check the boxes that apply, and click Next. Finally, you will reach the Signature step. Here, you can review the application fee, enter your payment details, and digitally sign the form. Once you are done, click Submit to finalize the re-enrollment for this student.